doing? Boys and lady, say howdy to the folks.
Howdy to the folks.
I'm Rocky, and I'd sure like for y'all to meet these musical marvels. Bubba Bunga. Henry Howard.
Just call me Hank, folks.
Our Southern Belle, Henrietta Hatfield.
Why, it sure is lovely to see y'all. Why?
Antonio Vermicelli.
Buongiorno, spaghetti, fettuccine, chiani. Y'all have to excuse him. The truth is, he was born being brass. It is in love, in the land, in the heart.
But when he sings just plain American.
What can I say?
Together, folks, we are Rocky and the Railroad Ramblers.
And
Here comes Mockingbird Hill.
When the sun in the morning peeks over the hill and kisses the roses from my windowsill, then my heart fills with gladness when I hear the trill of the birds in the treetops on Mockingbird Hill.
La tweety, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's hill. La tweety, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on Mockingbird Hill. Got a three-corner plow and an acre to till, and a mule that I bought for a $10 bill. There's a tumble-down shack and a rusty old mill, but it's my home sweet home up on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome at the flowers on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome at the flowers on Mockingbird Hill.
Don't even sound like Italian birds.
Hey, when you finish riding all these great rides here, come on back to see us.